YouTube, Louie here with the best silver gold deals of Tuesday, March 12th, 2024. It is CPI day, which comes out in a couple of minutes. But before CPI comes out, let's see where we're at. Gold is down 1170 at 2,171. We're getting that pullback everybody wanted. And silver is down 4 cents at 24.39. The GSR is sitting at 88.99. The 10-year yield is down 0.015 at 4.089. The Dixie, the dollar, is down as well, 102.84. And in pre-market trading, the greed index is at 67. And we have the Dow up 1, the S&P up 11.5, and the NASDAQ up 74.75, but everything could change in a couple minutes. What do you think? Will it be weak, moderate, or strong? Okay, I don't know. Place your bets. We'll find out in a little bit. These are the prices before the CPI release. Okay, we've got best 1/10 ounce gold eagle at bullion exchanges, 249.60. These prices should be a little bit lower than yesterday. Best 1/4 ounce gold at Bold, 594, even. Best 1/2 ounce gold at Pinehurst, 1159.42. And best 1 ounce gold at Liberty Coin, 2,233.94. Pretty good deal there. Okay, I'm not going to go through all of the gold. Let's hit on the South African Krugerrand, 2,194.89, one of the cheapest ways you can get into gold. And the commemoratives are pricier than they have been, 243.04 for nearly a 1/4 ounce of gold. All right, if you don't have the PayPal credit card, definitely get on that and get 3% cash back on eBay. You'll knock those prices down quite a bit. eBay listings are down lower on the website, bestsilvergolddeals.com. Get over there and subscribe to the 300 people that are getting alerts and participating in the community. I appreciate all of your contributions. Okay, in the foreign gold category, we have got the Helvetica at 426.23, and we have got the nearly 1/4 ounce Mexican peso, 531.37. CPI is coming out. Okay, gold in assay, 2,211.99. At Pinehurst, little fancier bar there. You can get this Perth Mint ingot at 2,197.90 at bullion exchanges. Consumer Price Index is out, and it is 0.4 estimate versus 0.4 actual. So right on the money. Looks like the market is selling off. Let's keep going, especially if gold keeps dropping. If we push back down around 2,100, that may be a re-entry point. If you're looking for Platinum Eagles, they are now 1,125.89 at Monument Metals for a random date Platinum Eagle. Platinum Bullion is 987.89. X-Food and Energy was on target year over year. Just a little bit hot on the CPI, just a little bit over estimate, not too bad. Pretty much in line, looks like, with estimates here. Okay, you can get one Silver Eagle at bullion exchanges, 24.49. Cheapest price for a quantity of 20 at Pinehurst, 28.43 each, but you can beat that on eBay with that credit card. Lightly used Eagles, 28.39 at Silver Gold Bull. We still got the caution light on, but if we get back down to around 2,100 on gold, I may consider switching that back to green. Okay, you can get a maple at spot at bullion exchanges, but the best regular price at Monument Metal, 26.92. Any quantity pricing, that's a great choice if you're just getting into stacking. Okay, the Britannias are at Bold 27.22. The Ruse over at Liberty, quantity of 10, 276.12. And the Krugerrands over at Bullion Exchanges, 27.59. And let's see, how about the Philharmonics? How cheap can they get? 26.93. I'd get the maple. You can still get the 2-ounce Mama Baby Kangaroo if you're looking for that. Sovereign coin. The Costco deals are still coming out periodically, and I'll alert you when I find out about them, and members of the community alert me. So we'll keep going on that. You still have junk here, a little higher than I'd like to see it, but all right, 190.40 for $10 junk over at AppMex, and then of course we have bigger deals. If you want to buy larger amounts, use my discount code. The halves are actually cheaper this morning at 190.18 over at SD Bullion. I would get the halves over the quarters. And there is a new dealer called Coin Huskers that a subscriber alerted me to. He was selling junk at 50 cents over melt, and or was it 50 cents over face? I can't quite recall, but he had a good deal on junk yesterday. It's called Coin Huskers. Let me see if I can find it for you. Coin Huskers. I really have never used them. I don't know much about them, but here is the website, coinhuskers.com, and he runs specials which last for a deal of, he has deals of the day, March 11th. And you have to watch his video, and he does take Zelle. I understand he does not charge sales tax. Okay, that's all I know about him. I can't endorse him, but one of our subscribers does. Let me get back to, where am I? Right there. Okay, we've got the 10-ounce bar at Spot. We got the Coke bars, very collectible, and use your Walmart credit cards. You can use PayPal on Walmart and definitely get 3% back. You may be able to use your Walmart Capital One card and get 5% cash back. A subscriber told me yesterday he was not able to get the sales tax removed when they overcharged him, so act accordingly. Put it in your basket, see if you get the 5% off or the 3% off, and click through to checkout. And if they've charged you sales tax, don't buy it, okay? If they have, then you're on your own trying to get that money back. We have a 10-ounce Asahi bar over at Bold, $262.40 for a very nice high-quality bar. We've got generic bars over at bullion.com, $263.30 for new generic bars. And the Inglehards are going under 300, $296.60. Okay, we've got the Kazoo bar, still pretty cheap. Silvertown bar in the 26 per ounce range. 10-ounce bars at Bold at $271.30 for the high-quality Germania 10-ounce bar. And you know you can buy some Bullion or Scottsdale silver bars at a reasonable price. Over on eBay, we can get the Eagles at $579.20, and you may be able to take off as much as, right now, 5.5%. And it was 7.5% yesterday using the Capital One Quick Silver card. You can see how cheap those would get. And if you were looking at gold, let's just look at the 1-ounce gold. So check this out. If you picked that up yesterday, 2260.28. Okay, if you got 7.5% off, that would be times 0.925. Okay, you'd be at 2090.76 out the door with that credit card rebate. Let me show it to you again so you can see what I'm talking about. And so you know the eBay card can give you 3.33% off on eBay. And you know the PayPal card can give you... where's the PayPal card? Well, anyway, the PayPal card can get you 3% off on eBay, 2% off everywhere else, 3% off on Walmart, who takes PayPal. The Capital One card can get you 5% off the Walmart Capital One card, and you may or may not have a problem with sales tax. The Quick Silver card is what I'm talking about, which you can pick up right here and get a $200 bonus. Is 1.5% all the time. Then they run these extra specials, okay? Are you looking for Capital One offers? Okay, well, you'll have to trust me. This was 6% yesterday, and today it is 4%. It goes back and forth. Could be 6%, 4%, 3%, and usually it's 2%. So marry up the Quicksilver card and these extra reward deals. Use that on silver and gold and walk away with a steal. I am still experimenting with this. The statement credits don't come for 1 or 2 cycles, so I haven't proved it myself, but many others are telling me, or not many, but some others are telling me it's working like a charm. And if you buy your gold and silver under spot, how can you complain? All right, so let's go back to the deals, wherever the heck I was. But that's for those of you that really like to snake out a good deal, okay? And you'll do good on gold. I added this St. Gaudens pre-33 gold from Aiden Coins, even cheaper than the double Liberty Head, 2228.50, and use your rebates accordingly to pick up pre-33 gold less than modern gold. Okay, there's the double eagle. This is cool in the commemorative category, and if you don't have one, you may want to make a bid on this. This is the Baseball Hall of Fame. This is a modern $5 commemorative with little less than a quarter ounce of gold. Very cool coin, and the bidding is reasonable here at 510 currently. That may go for as much as 550 because that is just an awesome little coin there if you don't have one. And it's always got the gold content. Okay, and let's see, I don't know, let's check out the quarter ounce gold maple, 591.31. Boy, you really need your rebates to make that worth buying, but you can get them. In the vintage silver category, I won't linger here, but yeah, around $300 for anything decent. Okay. And here's my store if you want to look there and ask me for a friend's discount. Here's bars that I make. All right, so I don't know what happened to that PayPal credit card. Let's see if there's anything else in here. You can still get the patent coin, just a little more expensive. You can still get the Frosty BU Morgans for about $32 each. They are BU, okay? They're not circulated. Germania round, etc. In the 1 ounce round category, check out this random sale at Monument Metals, 25.85 for secondary market 1 ounce rounds. Maybe if you buy those by the tube, you might get a fresh tube. I don't know. I still like the cowboy rounds, and if silver is going down, I like them more. Oh, damn, it reversed. Okay, we got to get back over and see what's happening. Let me reload, and CPI was pretty much on target, no change. Gold recovered a little bit, only down 480 now at 2178, and silver is up 24.49. So yeah, no sell-off here, no sell-off, guys, unless gold. Let's see what happened to the 10-year. On the 10-year reload is you went up just a little hair because CPI was just a little bit overestimate. Yeah, 4.096. So this is kind of a big yawn today. We may continue to make our move. I want to check out the price of copper just to see, I'm watching those industrial metals to see if they're going to provide a tailwind to silver because they really can. And watch the miners as well. Copper price data. And copper is, how we doing copper? Copper is up again. And crude is up a hair. What's going on with steel? Steel is down. Iron is down. Lumber is up. Okay, but I'm really watching copper because it's getting ready to make a breakout here. Look at that chart. I mean, if that isn't ready, I don't know what is. Now, it may go back to 420 or so. But the point is, with industrial metals catching a bid, you really want to watch silver. I think silver could go to 26 here. I still think that, unless they can knock gold down. Let's take a look at the GDX real quick if you have a minute to spare. This is the gold miner index, and it has been showing a good deal of strength in the last couple weeks or week. And today it is flat. Okay, we'll have to watch the miners. That can often give you a hint as to whether gold is going to continue its run or not. But that is my story, and I'm sticking to it. Okay, that's all I have today. And let me know what you're buying and if you're buying. And you waiting for gold to pull back? You waiting for silver to pull back? Are you using some of those special deals? Because they rock, man. So check all that out on my website. Do subscribe for alerts. If you can catch the Costco deals, those are the absolute bestie deals. But the eBay deals are looking pretty good too if you get those extra rebates. And let me know what's working and what's not. Thank you for all your comments, your subscriptions, and sharing these videos and getting over to the website. I appreciate the community that we are growing here because we're just buying silver and gold. And if you get a good price, you can't whine about it. I'll see you guys tomorrow.